Alright, so crazy ass upper day and deadlifts.
I dislocated my spine in 15 different fucking areas.
He hasn't even taken his pre yet. And he's already jumped on the walls. What?
Jen?
I'm not doing all that, bro. That was horrible. Ah!
Deadlifts or bench press? Bench. Alright, man, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's go.
Warm up. Oh yeah. Let me unload my fucking luggage.
Show them what we're listening to. I'm gonna edit this, by the way. Show them what we're listening to. Motherfucker!
You don't fucking give up on me! You don't fucking give up on me! Give it up! You don't fucking give up on me!
Larson press! Dog, you're holding the camera, I'm gonna just fucking die. I'm gonna help you with my fingertips, gang. Stop. Push. Oh yeah, come on. One more. Push. Yeah. It's crazy how much power your legs had, bro.
I know.
You're not giving 110% and you're only giving it 99, you got one more to give. If you're giving it 100%, you're not at your fucking limit. Because nobody tells you how much you can put in and how much you can't. So you put in 110%. So every fucking person watching can not only see you and your fucking truth and how fucking hard you work.
Deadlifts are hella harsh on my lower back, and I literally can't walk for like 2 days when I do deadlifts. So I'm trying to learn sumo. All right, it looks feel pretty good. So I generally tried 1 rep sumo up to 225.
And I dislocated my spine in 15 different fucking areas.
How we feeling?
Good.
Edit before edit. Push, come on. Come on. Oh shit. I'm in the middle of the twister. Bro, looks absolutely gnarly. Come on. Tell yourself you got 2 more. Come on. Push. Yeah.
go. Push, push, push. Go. Let's go. Push, push. All you, come on. Yeah. Oh, fuck, fuck. Oh.